Hi and welcome to Stafford Audi. This is a brand new Audi TT 2.0 TFSI Black Edition S-Tronic, which we now have in stock. As this is a brand new vehicle, it does come with 3 years warranty and also 3 years roadside assistance. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Firstly in this video, we'll take you on a 360 walk around the vehicle and then we'll check out the interior controls and technology. And beginning at the front of the vehicle, we do have a daytime running LED headlights, making sure you are visible whatever the weather is during the day. Round to the side, we've got the gorgeous 20-inch alloy wheels. This TT does come with the S-Line styling pack, so we do have the S-Line badges on the front wings, as well as the S-Line front and rear bumpers. We've got the peripheral glass in the back windows of the vehicle. Take a look inside. You will notice the gorgeous half Alcantara and leather seats. Front seats are sport seats with the S-Line embossed logo on. So this brand new Audi TT is petrol. It is automatic. Of course, it is a coupe and it's done around 30 miles on the clock so far. Let's take a look inside the boot. The boot itself is pretty spacious. Plenty of room here for your golf clubs, your shopping, or maybe if you're heading off on holiday, those suitcases. Those back seats do fold down as well, giving you extra room. Perfect if you're doing a bit of DIY at the weekend. At the rear, you will notice we've got the very stylish spoiler, which finishes the car off nicely. This car does come with a black styling pack, hence why we've got the black Audi rings and the black window trims as well. Here we have the aluminium style fuel cap. Back into the interior, we have got the black cloth headlining and the gorgeous inlays in the matte brush aluminium. Of course, the S-Line aluminium plate, which you notice when entering and exiting the car. The colour of the car is Mythos black. And that does complete our 360 walk around the vehicle. Now time to check out the interior controls and technology. Just the right hand side of the steering wheel, we do have the window and mirror controls. And also the light controls. The steering wheel itself is a multifunctional steering wheel with the S-Line logo at the bottom. Using the buttons on the steering wheel, you can personalise the Audi Virtual Cockpit display. So whether it's information about your vehicle you need, your media such as the DAB digital radio, you can operate your mobile phone on the screen, and then we do have a very detailed navigation system. You can also operate the screen by using the buttons in the centre console. So the choice is yours to how you'll operate it. Just to the right hand side of the steering wheel, we've got the volume control. And once your phone is connected, the buttons to take and reject phone calls. To the left, we've got the paddle for the cruise control. And in the centre, we've got the air conditioning system that is easy to use. Turn on, set your temperature and positions, and away you go. Of course, this vehicle is automatic. We've got the main volume control just here. Just at the front, we do have a little compartment. Maybe you want to store some keys there, like I did today. In there, we do have 2 USB ports and an aux slot there as well. And back here, we've got the Audi parking brake and then a cup holder. And that does complete our tour today around this brand new Audi TT 2.0 TFSI Black Edition, which is now in stock. It does come with 3 years warranty and also 3 years roadside assistance. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon at Stafford Audi.